Hey Paris, welcome back to the Jamaican Debbie Debs train. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, good night. We would like it to be when this little video of ours reaches you. And I guess by the title, you have already known. This soda challenge has been going on YouTube. I saw it a few times, but we're going to be putting a twist to ours. We'll be doing the blindfolded soda challenge, but I will be putting a twist to ours. Okay, so we're going to be using like flavors, not like really like they look alike but they have slight different tastes. So the real moral of this is when you're tasting is to say which is which. As we have the Sprite and the 7 Up, they look just alike. So being blindfolded, you who taste have got to say which is which. That is the moral of ours. Okay, so Sprite and 7 Up, tell us what you think as you go along. Team Debbie, Team Camera Girl, we're using Ting and Schweppes. They both look alike. They taste a little bit different, but you can't know. It will be hard to detect the taste blindfolded. And last but not least, we have the Coca-Cola and the Pepsi. Okay, so that is how we are going to be doing it. They look alike but they taste slightly different. Hard to tell when you're blindfolded. And by any means, this video is not sponsored by any of these sodas. Okay, so we're going to be starting. Camera Girl is going to go first. She has our cup. We have our cups here. We have water to rinse our mouth and all of that. So it doesn't matter. Here we go. We are going to be using a black tights. We want a serious piece of blindfold, because the last blindfold it did go. So here we go. Turn around. Did you say hi to the Paris?
Yeah,
You make me see for your eye then. Turn around. Cover your nose and make. Don't cover your nose.
You mean don't?
Make sure so you're breathing. Turn around. Make me see your face. You know when you see, you know.
My ears covered.
So we're gonna be going for the.
Can't move my eye.
So we're gonna be going for the Ting and the Schweppes. So I'll be pouring. She won't know what I'm pouring. You will know. You all will see what I'm pouring. So when I pour now and give to her, she will tell me what it is. You will see this. She can't see this. I won't say what it is. Even though I'm saying it is Schweppes and the Ting, she won't know what because she can't see, but you all will see. She has one try after she tastes. What do you think?
It tight on my eyes.
At if you try
No, honestly, really kind of tight.
Tight on your eyes. Stop a minute.
Alright,
Stop it.
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay, so I'm gonna crack this real slow. Come, hold your hand. Where your hand there? You're really blindfolded? Okay, one try, yeah.
So a little bit.
You're going like say a prize giving you come talk about yeah.
What did you say the first two were?
We're using Ting and Schweppes.
This is Schweppes.
Talk loud what you said.
Oh, yeah.
No!
Oh.
I'm sorry, Barry. You said one time. What you say it was?
Schweppes,
Talk
Schweppes.
loud, make the Paris them ear.
Yeah,
I'm
Schweppes.
sorry, y'all.
Yeah, the first one is Schweppes.
Okay. You've got to go slow. Here. Hold it. Look, you lost the first challenge and the parry them see. See, look
it.
here, look at this.
Feel it.
Look at this, look at this. You see the
Taste it.
strips in my hand and you said the thing, right?
You see,
So
when I took the second drink, realized that.
yes, so parry, Team Debbie, Team Camera Girl. So she's gonna use these two on me the same as I did to her. You know, wish me luck. I'm gonna get my other cup. And I guess when you say it one time, from you say it, the next one, automatically the next one is the other flavor. So from you say
when
it
I
wrong,
took the second drink of the shrimps, I realized that I was wrong.
yeah, but it's just one try. You can't, once you say it, you can't change.
I'm not blocking your nostrils, right?
Eh?
I'm not blocking your nostrils.
No, after my nose I drink.
Good?
Yeah, that's good. Whoa, lad. Jeez.
Exactly.
Whew, so you're gonna use the same flavors for me. That might take time. We can't manage the dampness.
Alright.
When you throw it, you to show them what
this
it is.
This is the first one. Alright, we're using the same one, and this is the first one we're using. Here.
Where you drink?
Here. Feel?
Yeah.
Feel it? Drink.
Yeah, you show them the flavor?
Yes.
Alright.
Drink.
This is Shreps. This is Shreps.
Strips? Alright. This is the second one. Drink. Hold it.
Wait there.
Feel. Alright.
Of course, we win this year and this year thing.
Okay.
I have won. Am I right?
Yeah, they're both right.
Team Debbie, all day, every day, all girl Debbie. Okay.
This over there,
So one down to the cow. Have you changed? So me get win the first one. Come. Blindfolded time. We're gonna be using now just to get all the tears because these two.
Yeah, we're going to drink some water just to take
Yeah.
out the taste of water.
So get these two. We use these two already. So these are the others that. So these are like almost the same. So we're gonna break it now and use these. I hope you're following Paris. So yeah. So me now you okay. Turn it back. Let me see your eye. And was that right?
Yeah.
It tight?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so white tight. Yeah, it's big.
Yeah. No.
You good?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. So, here we go. We're using Coca-Cola and we're using Pepsi. Here. Yeah. Lad, ma, what you take so long, so I want your taste body gone out. Or that's what I look for drink. And I taste your dry taste.
This is Pepsi.
Okay.
Let me put some next to that now, right?
I'm not here to say which is right from which is not right. The Paris. Here, darling. You're really blindfolded through this. I see nothing.
This is Coke. Honestly, I'll put it just the same. Really can't tell.
So the first one you said was
Pepsi and
this is the Coke, and you are so wrong. I'm sorry to say.
The taste
Yes,
exactly
and
the
that
same.
is the beauty
That's
about
right.
the challenge Paris. That is the beauty. This is a real soda challenge. That's why we chose these, because it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. So with these out of
Pepsi
the
and
way,
Coca-Cola honestly taste the same.
So-
a lot of people might say, oh, they take Coca-Cola
yeah,
and Pepsi
yeah,
for
it's
this.
hard. It's hard, and
They have
this is
this-
the beauty about our challenge.
Maybe the
It's
Pepsi
really
have a little bit
hard.
more acid than the Coca-Cola.
I
but
don't know,
honestly, the
but my
taste of it
time,
is the
my
same.
time.
The taste is the same.
Yeah, that is why we chose it this way, Paris. That's why we chose it this way. My time.
Hold on,
You still not see?
my eye them fucking out.
It's really hard. I'm telling you, it's
Turn around.
really hard. When my water there, I want to rinse out my mouth. Me have to win that one, you know. Once I get one more, I'll go. Yeah, here we go. You smoke up them. Lad, man. When you throw it out and give me, you must show the party them, you know, because they are involved too.
So this is the first, so we're using about the same Coca-Cola and Pepsi. This is the first one I'm using.
I feel me one.
No, I'm not trying to
Yeah, it takes a long man. This one piece of long serve. Yeah, it's a long prepared fitters.
Here.
I eat this.
Hold.
Mama said me blindfolded. I eat
Hold.
this.
Yes, true.
Okay. Oh my God. This is the Pepsi.
Okay.
You must show them, you know.
This is the second one. Three.
And of course, if that a Pepsi, then this a Coke. I swear to God.
Coca-Cola?
Yeah,
Right.
if the first one a Pepsi, then this a
You're right,
Coca-Cola.
you're right.
Yeah. Let me tell you something about this one, Barry. I think it's which one is which. That's the Pepsi. Let me tell you.
Which one if you drink out and that?
I don't know. This one was right at the last.
Yeah, yeah. So this
Let
is
me
the
tell
Pepsi
you.
and this is
You
the
know
Coke.
what I used to determine it just a while ago? I used the smell, not the taste,
The
because
smell?
the taste.
Have a
Yes.
different smell?
Yes. When the Pepsi came up to me, it had a different flavor. So this is what I
Oh, for real?
use.
The Pepsi
Yes, it
stronger?
has a different flavor coming
I
up.
was trying to smell it, but
Team Debbie all day, every day. Come on, girl, me sorry for you, and me really feel sorry for you.
a long time you drink soda. That's it.
Yeah, but me not soda drinker to that.
No,
Me
no,
not-
but as
but
in-
I'm telling you, Paris, you could all try this with your family at home. It's really, I'm
Plus,
telling
when
you,
we
this is
drink
really
soda-
a challenge.
Yeah, when we drink soda, I'm nearly ready for the difference.
Yeah, but isn't this a challenge? Don't you think
Yeah.
this is a challenge?
You can barely smell it.
Yeah, what do you think about this?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is, let's move
You
on
smell
to
the
the
Pepsi more
yeah,
than you
it's
smell
that's
the
what I
Coca-Cola.
use to determine it. The others were really hard,
Okay.
but that's what I use to determine it. We will never carry enough cup. We are in
Sure,
salty
yeah.
cup, them nothing around. Ooh. So basically we win already, but we have to do the other one. A lot
The
of
same
mess.
for each other.
Yeah.
Basically, I just have to know if all three of us.
Yeah, it's this is like a real challenge. Doing it this way, I think it's a real challenge. What do you think, Paris? Please comment below. It might think I don't think it's boring. You think this is boring? I wouldn't say it's boring. Your time now?
Yeah, because so far, I'm getting a lot of them.
Yeah, that is why it becomes the challenge. That's why you choose flavors that look alike, but they taste almost the same. But it's hard.
They taste the same, but they have a
Yeah,
little difference.
Paris. Honestly, it's
We-
hard. What do you, Edma? You're so delicate.
Alright. Yeah,
Yeah, see?
Yeah, I can see. Alright.
And of course, Paris, these are the two last ones. And she knows it. You can know this is the 7-Up and this is the Sprite. Look at them. They look just alike. Here we go. You ready, camera girl? For win that one, yeah? Camera girl. Me not tell you lie. Try win that one, yes, Jerry. I'll laugh after you, you know. Me I pray to God. You're winning. No, me not say it matter. Me I pray for you. Me I say a prayer for you. Me I say one little prayer for you. Pray no pray for you. Here. And. Okay. Make sure your taste good before you talk.
Yeah, this smells something like for the Pepsi. Make it second.
Second. Come on, go on. Paris, she said before wait till the second. May I wait?
So now?
Talk low, make the Paris then hear now.
7 now.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Hands on.
There's no that much of us there.
Yeah, but from you say one, the other one must be automatically be it. It's quite evident.
Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
Yeah, this is good.
You're good? So you said the first one has 7 up,
7 up.
and the next one has Sprite. Lad, come on, girl, things are good for you. Up, up, up.
Alright.
See you later. Come on, girl, bust up that challenge then, lad, man. Woo!
Anytime I buy soda, I drink them mostly.
Then suppose me
No,
get
yeah,
it.
no.
Suppose me get this now.
You know why I say?
Mm-hmm.
7 Up sweeter to me, and the Sprite is not as sweet.
Okay, my time. Then suppose me get this now, right?
Get it right.
Oh, pardon, that's the gas.
That's my take on it for these two.
One sweeter than one.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
When it comes to the thing on the strips, me not really
yeah,
know.
it's hard. The thing on the strips is really hard.
Pepsi
I can't
was-
say me did just say,
Pepsi
but the
and
Pepsi
Coca-Cola.
and the Coca-Cola, me did use the smell. Me not lie. Make we see how me I got do pan. But I think that one your name, them
7
two,
Up,
yeah.
7 Up.
Yeah, let me see how I'll do on
You're supposed
this.
to get this. You drink
I'm
them
not
here now.
sure.
Pass
Let me
the
drink
two
now.
cups. You drink all two of them, yeah?
Oh,
No, as in like when we'll get soda.
come give me my soda here. Come in the way.
You're in 40 amount?
Where water there?
See water there.
I this? Wow. Where is it?
Here.
Okay.
So, you know.
I this don't even water.
Cover.
Where there?
See me, I cover it for you, I do it for you. Put it down.
Alright. Thank you, my girl.
Alright.
Show it to the Paris then.
Yeah, this is the first one, yeah. Drink. Hold.
You ready for me?
Hold, yeah, drink.
Alright. Here we go, Paris. Team Debbie. All day. Down in the comment section. Where we are drink now?
7 Up and Sprite.
Me think this ice right.
That's the Sprite?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Drink?
Who wants something for well
Drink!
shut up.
Me never get a chance to wash up my mouth in between drink.
That was the Sprite and this is the Walkley 7 up. Me not
Make
me
correct.
can't share. Me correct?
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! That's one of the stay up on my team.
After I put this
I'll
over
never
the
turn no
stomach,
one on this.
When you throw the soda, put the
Oh my god! Oh my god! You gotta stay on my team, Paris! Team Debbie! Team Debbie! down below. Come on, girl, big up yourself, because you still got through with one. So, Paris, we hope you have enjoyed this challenge. And if you would like us to do more challenges like this, and let me tell you, you can do these with your family at home on a Sunday evening. Like, you know, sometimes some Sunday evening bored. Sometimes you want to go out on the road and you end up go up on the road, go spend all the way in a plan for spend. You're to try to do little challenges, whether you have a YouTube channel, yes or no, and to keep the family together and to have fun and all of that. And I think this makes a big difference in families. What do you think? Jerry should have died too. Jerry and Kim for try to pan them channel. What you think?
Know. Kim probably wouldn't know the difference.
No, because Kim and drink soda more than so. Jerry, they must clip up pan it. I would love to do this with my son. With different Party, I would love to do back this challenge with Jerry. Comment with this same set. What do you think about that? Comment below and give us some thumbs up. If we get 100 thumbs up on this, at least I'll do this challenge in the next video with Jer. Comment below. Comment. Let me see if you can mash me up.
Imagine if we get 3, what would I do?
No, that would show. So with a star, it doesn't matter. It's a challenge. It doesn't matter. And I like we're going to get a prize. Will I get prize? Comment, family, if you'd like to see me do this challenge with Jer. You want Jan Jer do it? It doesn't matter. Comment if you'd like to see Jer and any one of us. Which of us would you like to see? And Jer. Either me and Camera Girl and Jer with this same. No, you didn't steal anything. Comment below. I hope you have enjoyed this blindfolded soda challenge. And I hope that you want to try this with your family. It is, for me, it was really a challenge. What you have to say, Camera Girl?
Well, yeah.
The flavors that we chose, it was really challenging to say which is which.
I used my instincts on in the last set, not the first two. I don't know why nobody use it. Like the smell and then the taste make it separate. So.
Well, I'm not telling you the taste me use because these days on the 7-Up, them content we have to go up this taste.
Them taste sweet.
I don't know if it's sweet, but I don't go walk this there.
No, you know
it's like the Sprite has more flavor. It has more like, I don't know if I'm more acid in it, but it has more acid, a little more gig up. That's what I feel. Yeah, there's a Sprite, the 7-Up more just like seriously. You know, it's not bitter, but to be honest, come in Paris. We're not really big soda drinkers, but we drink a little soda from now. I'm going to put up this. Don't ask, Debbie, what are you going to do with those soda? We're going to put them in our fridge and drink them little. Nothing wrong. We don't drink soda every day, 365 days a year.
We're going to can do like different, like
throw them out. Yeah. Next time we're going to be doing like grape juice or grape juice versus some other juice, grape juice versus cranberry, but that one there is
that's easy.
Grape juice versus juice. But we are going to be doing like fruit juices in our next juice challenge, not necessarily our next video. So comment if you'd like to see us do that, and remember to comment if you'd like to see me and Jer face off with this one.
And also if you want to see us do a chocolate challenge.
Chocolate? What is that?
Chocolate challenge as in like which one is which, if you can't tell which.
Yeah, because she knows she's gonna win it.
No, you would have probably win it.
What, the chocolate?
You eat chocolate.
But me don't know me the same chocolate, so me don't know more flavor.
Well, alright. So which one do you think you guys should do? The next soda challenge
let us leave it to the Paris. Yeah. Comment below. Comment the most, whichever we have the most comments on, we'll be doing it. And also I want you to comment if you'd like to see me and Jer face off with these 3 sets of sodas. Yeah. Let us see what is gonna happen.
Her and Jer do the same set of sodas next, or you want to see the chocolate challenge next?
Yeah, I would love to do the chocolate challenge. Camera Girl introducing it because she got mash with her. So we're gonna go out now and get some chocolates and stuff. So I think we have some chocolates here, but we could have buy some more, put with it and mix and match. You name them off?
None.
So we thank you for your love. We thank you for your support. And if you're new right on over here, you know, say family, miss say a family all day, every day. We are just a family right on over here. And it doesn't matter what we do. We want to thank all our new subscribers and supporters that are coming onto the channel. We are nearing the 10,000 subs now. We'll be having a giveaway. Make sure you're in tune to our channels and all that we're doing. I told you we're becoming a little bigger and a little better. We want to pep up this channel a bit. We want to take this channel to a different heights in a Jamaican way, and most of all in a family way. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Camera Girl,
never let the evil around you take control.
Stay on top of things. Bless.